Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
A little after noon today, citizens of South and East Bengaluru were shaken up by a loud thud sound. Many of them took to Twitter and other social media platforms to discuss what the origin of this sound could be. Could it be another sonic boom? Last year in May, citizens of South Bengaluru faced a similar situation where a loud booming sound shook several windows and apartments in the area. After cursory investigation, it was revealed that an Indian Air Force flight was doing its test rounds outside the city limits, and that was the shockwave felt by citizens in Bengaluru. A sonic boom is what happens when a flight travels faster than the speed of sound, thereby creating a shockwave which can be felt up to 80-kilometer radius around the testing area. However, this time there is still no confirmation on what the origin of the sound could be. The Indian Air Force has claimed that there have been no test flights running today and therefore couldn't originate from them, whereas HAL has said that they can't comment on the situation so far. What is going to be the reality of this situation? We will have to wait and find out. This is Vaishnavi Suresh and you're watching Mojo Story.
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.